to go to the gym. I just want to stay here all day. Girl, too bad. We're going.
But we were dancing with our hands tied.
Welcome back to Friends 2.0. So today we have a special video coming to you requested by a fellow subscriber. Check out his @ below. And he requested to do the handcuff challenge while going to the gym and having a workout. So we're gonna be duct taped by our wrist and have to do a full workout in the gym. So let's get started.
Dude, honestly, you guys are gonna die.
Why are you gonna pee? Oh, go. Maybe it's just because I'm laughing. I'll
We'll
ignore
go.
it.
No, we'll go.
Oh, hell no.
I just won't look. I'll just look toward the wall and be like, oh my gosh.
Mm.
We have to do the 24-hour challenge.
Yes, that would be so funny.
Mia is making me go to the bathroom.
Someone's taking a shower.
This is horrible. Can't believe I just did that. I mean, I only used my left hand, so.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. XYZ.
Fix it.
You know what? I'm done with you guys. I don't even know why I'm doing this.
Examine your zipper.
Wow. It was just barely like this. Guys, honestly, I feel attacked. I cannot.
Oh, I cannot do that. Stretch your toes. I can do this. As far as I'm getting. Okay, now let's go to. The other way. Your arm. Okay. Alright. Now get some like over us and then come over there. Get some good. Alright. Okay.
Oh, how about we have to do toe touches?
I look like a noob.
No, we just need one. So we have to get really close. What if I just do one? Is that cheating? Okay, that's the like, okay, so now I just turn the other.
2, 1, up, raise,
How are you guys feeling?
low-key
Wow.
embarrassed.
Let me see that hand.
So we're gonna start at a low pace.
Dude, you can't get anything.
We're gonna try. We're doing pretty slow. Going on 5? 5? Yeah. Wait, go to 3.5. Okay. I'm so scared. Oh yeah, we gotta make sure we're on the same.
LOL.
Okay, 4.
It's a challenge. Yeah.
Okay. Go to 5. Go to 5.5. This is not hard. Go to 6. 11, no. 10. 9.
That's easy with 2 people.
Add some weight.
Okay, we gotta bring it, pop it down with the deadlift. Okay. So we gotta get weights. Alright, so we're gonna do bicep crawl, deadlift, squat, or not squat, not squat, let's do it. So deadlift it up. Oh.
Whoa.
Okay,
Those guns.
Bicep curl. 3, 2, 1. That's not gonna happen. Let's just do deadlift. Okay, hold on. Wait, put it down. Put it down. I have to position it. We have to position our hands equally. So I'm gonna have my hand one right here on the outside where like my thumb is touching it. Yeah. And then in the center. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1. Yeah. 2. This is definitely too big for bicep. What should we do now? Am I sweating?
No, you guys are just a little bit red.
So 1, 2, 3. No, oh. Right? Yeah. One, but they have some over here. That are bigger.
Oh my god.
Our elbows. We have to do tricep ones. Just I'm still short. I'm still sore from the 45 class. So you not giving up. I can't do one. That was a bad idea. So painful. Jenny, I'm sorry. 1. 2. One more. Bring it slowly.
Okay, so we just finished the handcuffed gym routine, and it wasn't really actually that hard.
It really wasn't.
There was like,
Part was just the embarrassment.
yeah, the embarrassment was the hardest part, and then there were some parts where we got like stuck and definitely looked like even more noobs than we already were. So, but hopefully it was entertaining. Like if you enjoyed the video and we made you laugh a little bit, and make sure to share the video with your friends.
And comment down below your favorite workout to do, and if you like to do it in the gym or outside.
Yes, and then also comment video suggestions, because this video was taken from a recent comment on our video, so you could be featured in the next one if we really like your idea. Oh, shout out to Dulce for filming.
Hello.
Bye! See you next time.
Gosh.
And I'd be like, oh hey, didn't see you there. I'll be here.
Wow, did you hear that? She's like, I'll just be over here taking selfies of myself. She literally is.
Over there. Take your coat off.
Wow, Martha, are you serious? Oh.
Oh my gosh. 100.
101, 102, 103.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
Really don't want to go to the gym today. I just want to stay here all day.
Too bad. Ah! Oh no!
No, not speak.
Landscape.
Oh. I forget.
Bye, let's go. Let's do sprint over there.
Bye.
Oh, wow.